Want to improve your iPhone's battery accuracy and performance? Here's how to properly calibrate your iPhone battery. If this helps, tap like and subscribe for more iPhone tips. First, use your iPhone until the battery completely drains and the phone powers off by itself. Don't force it off, let it shut down naturally when it runs out of power. Now plug your iPhone into a charger and let it charge uninterrupted to 100%. It's best to use the original Apple charger or a certified one. Once it reaches 100%, leave it charging for at least another hour. This ensures the battery is truly full and stable. Now restart your iPhone by holding the power button and sliding to power off. Then turn it back on and continue using it as usual. This process helps recalibrate the battery meter so it shows more accurate percentage levels and helps your phone manage battery health better. Do this only once every few months. Frequent full discharges can wear down lithium-ion batteries over time. Found this helpful? Like and subscribe for more iPhone care tips and tricks.